In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Slack app. By the end, you'll have a brand new app created from scratch in your Slack workspace, ready for you to configure further. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Slack and press Enter. Click the official Slack website in the results. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log into the workspace where you plan to develop. It's best to use a workspace where you have permission to create and manage apps. Once Slack opens, look for the Apps section in the left sidebar. This is your hub for discovering and managing apps in your workspace. Open that section, then find the three dots menu to reveal more options. Click the three dots, then choose Manage. This takes you into Slack's App Management area, where you can browse what's available and access developer tools. From there, select Browse Apps. On the next screen, look for an option that says Open in Slack Marketplace and click it. The Marketplace is the central catalog of apps and also includes the entry point for building your own. In the top right corner of the Marketplace, click the three horizontal lines to open the main menu. From that menu, select Build. This will take you to Slack's developer portal, where all app creation and configuration happens. On the developer portal, click Create New App. Slack gives you a couple of ways to start. Choose from scratch so you can define everything yourself. This is ideal when you want full control over your app's name, features, and workspace. Now, give your app a clear, descriptive name. Choose something that communicates its purpose and is easy for teammates to recognize. Next, pick the workspace where you'll develop your app. If you collaborate across multiple workspaces, select the one you'll test in first. Using a dedicated development workspace is a good practice so you can iterate safely without affecting production channels. Finally, click Create App. Slack will generate your app's basic container and take you to the app configuration dashboard. From here, you can add features like bot users, permissions, /commands, event subscriptions, and more. But that's beyond today's scope. For now, you've successfully navigated from the Slack website to the developer portal, opened the marketplace, entered the build area, created a new app from scratch, named it, set its workspace, and finalized the creation. If any menu looks slightly different, don't worry. Slack updates interfaces periodically. Just look for the same labels: Apps, Manage, Browse Apps, Open in Slack Marketplace, the three-line menu, Build, Create New App, from scratch, Name, Workspace, and Create App. You're all set to continue configuring your Slack app.